I almost renewed my Adobe subscription without thinking. Then I did the math. That one decision could have cost me hundreds more this year than I actually needed to spend. So I stopped guessing and tested both on real work. Photo editing, marketing graphics, social media posts, even a small print project. The goal wasn't to find a winner, it was to find out who actually gets a better deal. Adobe gives you an entire creative ecosystem: Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, cloud storage, AI features, and team collaboration. Affinity takes a different approach: professional creative apps with a one-time payment instead of another monthly bill. At first, I assumed I'd miss Adobe immediately, but here's where things get interesting. Affinity handled most of my everyday work without slowing me down. Layer editing, vector graphics, masking, raw photos, it all felt fast and surprisingly polished. After a while, I almost forgot I wasn't using Adobe, so I pushed things further. I opened older Adobe files, switched between projects, and recreated a few client designs. Most of the workflow transferred just fine. Then I noticed something strange. The biggest difference wasn't image quality, it was the ecosystem. Adobe's AI tools, Creative Cloud syncing, shared libraries, and third-party plugins are incredibly useful if your business depends on them. Affinity simply doesn't replace that entire experience. Here's the catch. Most people don't actually use half of those premium features. They're paying for an ecosystem when they only need solid editing software. That's where Affinity becomes really interesting. Its one-time purchase can save freelancers, startups, and small agencies a significant amount over the long run, especially if recurring software costs are eating into profits. So, who's a better choice? If you are deeply invested in Adobe's cloud workflow or collaborate with large creative teams every day, Adobe still earns its price. But if your goal is professional quality design without paying month after month, Affinity offers far more value than most people expect. If you're deciding between these two, compare your daily workflow first. That answer matters a lot more than the marketing page.